Hey friends, I'm going to make something very delicious. We used to eat a lot in our country. It's called Kheer. So the very first thing we need 2 cup of milk. And then we will need 1.5 cup of rice. And the rice we need to boil. So I just boiled this rice before. And now let's add the boiled rice. It's 1.5 cup. And now we will add 1 cup of sugar. Now let's keep mixing. And now we will add half teaspoon of ground cardamom and mix very good, and also add some crushed almonds. So our kheer is almost ready. So here we go, our kheer is ready. Our delicious kheer is ready. Hey friends, I mentioned 1.5 cup. Actually it's half cup of rice, not 1.5. I apologize for my mistake.